Alright gang, this is my second box of, this is 2018 Contenders football. This is a retail, like a large retail box. 14 packs, 1 auto, 2 mem cards. I was less than impressed with my first box. You should be able to see that video. I assume I already have that one up by the time I post this. It was kind of what I expected, but at the same time I was hoping for better. You know, if you open Contenders, you know that Panini's notorious for giving lots of autographs away in the product, but the autographs primarily are stinky unless you're just super lucky and get somebody really good. This box only has one auto, which, you know, I expected it not to be like the best thing ever, but I was really let down by how bad the first round of this was. Yeah, and as far as rookies go, you get the one rookie insert, the Rookie of the Year contender, and that's pretty much it. There's the MVP contender, David Johnson. Yeah, I'm just not a fan. You know, I tried to love it last year, and the price went up so crazy, and I mean, I understood it, but I wasn't really that big of a fan then. I kind of like the clean design of the cards. I like the base cards, but here's my first jersey. It's Mason Rudolph. Not bad. And a round numbers Christian Kirk, Anthony Miller. A lot of the inserts this year are just recycled from last year. Yeah, it looks like they didn't put a whole lot of work into this time around. I think just about all of the insert sets are recycled. I'll have to see if they're what the parallel. There's a Bradley Chubb Rookie of the Year. What the parallels look like. I've opened a couple of blasters and then this stuff, and I haven't come across any parallels in this stuff, so there should be some in the, well, I guess technically they consider this a parallel, this green full, I think they consider that some kind of parallel. Contenders, legendary contenders, sorry. But anyways, I'm not, just not really crazy about it. Probably gonna grab one, maybe pre-order one hobby box and stop there and just hope that I'm really lucky and get one good autograph. But even that would, you know, won't balance out the price of that box. As these hit the market, it's not going to be priced obviously as high as 2017 has made it, but there's an insert, round numbers, round 1. But still, it's on the high side. And there'll be plenty of people who just get completely skunked with just low tier. Well, I guess you can see my autograph there. Ay, ay, ay. 150. 150. Honestly, that's probably better than any autograph I was going to get out of this. Ronald Jones II. I guess it's possible that could take the place of a jersey card, but I highly, highly doubt it. Team quads. Panini's notorious, and these retail boxes, these bigger retail boxes for putting points in the place of the one autograph you're promised. I don't know why we keep putting up with that crap out of them, honestly. It's time to freaking revolt, because it's really just dumb. I can kind of accept it when you're going to get more than one autograph, but everybody who's watched these videos knows my opinion of the points. When you're only going to get one autograph and you get points, to me that just absolutely sucks. There's a round 1, the two Joshes, Allen and Rosen. But if my autograph in this box was going to be as stinky as the other one was, then I guess I'm fine with the points. Contenders, Kirk Cousins. I think this is my other jersey card. Almost done. Rookie of the Year, James Washington. I mean Contenders, not Rookie of the Year. Rookie of the Year, Contenders. Get off. It is Legendary Contenders, Emmitt Smith, Fournette, Sherman. I tell you something else I'm noticing about these cards. It's kind of janky. Look at these jagged bottoms. Can you see how this is cut? Put it up against. I don't know if you can see the way, if I've got it turned right, but they're cut like somebody cut them with some dull scissors. Like they lined up some kids at an elementary school and said, here, cut these for us. It doesn't really matter how you do it or what scissors you use, just do it, please. Wolf. Panini, I swear to God, you give me a headache sometimes. Alright. Let's see who our other jersey is. It is Dante Pettis. Rookie ticket, red swatch, and the team quads. Sean Washington. Alright, that's it. I hate to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm kind of wishing I had not ordered 2 boxes of this. And there's the big 150 points. Yeah, I'm not going to do a lot of contenders, so you guys just, I'm going to give you a heads up. I'll probably do 1 box of hobby, and you're just going to have to go elsewhere to watch other people open boxes. I just don't have the stomach for it. It's overpriced for what it's delivering. Some of Panini stuff I absolutely love, but contenders is just, to me, like, I don't know. Just the regular old contenders is just not my jam. That's it. That's all I got to say about that. Okay, everybody take care. Hope you're doing well, and I'll be back with my next breaks very, very soon.